Are you tired of struggling with clunky, heavy suitcases that barely survive the trip? It is time to upgrade your travel game. Meet the Level 8 Carry-on Hardshell Suitcase. This is not just a bag. It is a sleek, indestructible vault for your gear that looks good in every airport lounge. What makes it a total game changer? It is ultra lightweight, meaning more room for your souvenirs. Plus, those 360-degree spinner wheels are whisper quiet and smooth as butter, even on rough pavement. It is TSA-Approved, impact-resistant, and honestly, the interior organization makes packing feel almost therapeutic. Stop settling for average luggage. If you are ready to travel smarter and in style, check the link in the description below to grab your own Level 8 suitcase today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel essentials. Safe travels!